Claridine Samafana Bakalanki taken away no more the same when you move below an influencer, aka Hani Lerato _ RSA, and welcome to my very first episode of Can I Be Your Wig Influencer, where I'll be teaching myself everything about hair, teaching myself basic install, styling, and etc. with my two weaves. The blonde unit that I got from it's a synthetic unit that I got from Lolo Blends, and this is what one weave that I bought myself with my own money that I earn from the little influencing things I do at Dragon City U9 for 320 Rand. So I'm going to be using whatever means I have to teach myself how to install, how to style, and everything that has to do with hair in general. So yeah, let's get into it.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait, baby.
So allow me to show you the tools that we are going to be using. We have this hot comb, still you never used, and yeah, it works by the way. We've got the glamour spray, the freeze, then we got the styling gel. I don't know what we're going to use this for, but I just bought it just in case. And we've got like our two brushes, never mind how they are, they've been used before. And we've got our hair dryer, and since we don't have a straightener, we're going to use our iron if there's need. So today we're going to go with my very first wave, and I'm going to be explaining. I'm going to have a voiceover of everything, so hope you guys like it. Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, so let me get into it. So guys, what I'm doing right now is that I'm trying to comb out the weave, because I know this weave looks a little bit makoro conchonyana and stuff before I could place it on my head. I really don't know what I'm doing, because this is actually my first time, but I know that there mustn't be hair in front of my thing so that it doesn't interrupt my install, you understand? So now I'm gonna put on the weave. I should have done that when I wore the weave, but okay, that's cool. Oh, these head combs, so it looks when I have it on my head. So I don't have any wig cap or anything like that, you understand? So I'm going to be using whatever I have, which is my head. So I'm just trying to comb out any hair to the back. That's what people do usually when they're installing their hair. So it doesn't fit me, and I know it doesn't fit me. So I don't know how I'm gonna maneuver around it. But we'll make a plan. Hello. We'll definitely do make a plan.
So basically, my love for wigs started a very long time ago, back then when Las Music used to create quite a lot of skits using wigs. So that's when I fell in love with wigs and also wanted to try wigs on. So basically, I would take my mom's wigs and, create content of my own till I got to high school, when I started actually creating content that I can actually post. And I used to use wigs and all that, and yeah, I loved being in character. Wigs used to make me be in character, still do. And wigs started evolving into frontals, weaves, and I was also interested, and I used to borrow from my sisters and all that, and I really didn't like the idea of borrowing. That's when I decided to buy my own weave and invest in being a wig influencer. And yeah, so my love for wigs has always been like profound, understand? Yeah. And if you feel like you're a weave brand and want to work with me, holla at me, darling, holla at me. It's my first time installing myself. I'm still learning quite a lot of things, but we'll actually get there, understand? Send me a wig, let's work, let's push something. But I honestly really do love wigs, and it's just a form of self-expression. And yeah, weaves are I don't know, a lifestyle. Once you've started, you can never really go back. But anyways, yeah. See you guys.
If I have piece the honano, Kishap Mao Sadova. Okay, we're on to something. We're on to something. You paste it in, but areda, you know, like areda, shum. As long as you paste it. Do we do this? Yeah, I think it's that. So guys, the lace won't vanish, ne? So I don't know what to do. There's nothing I can do actually. I think I should invest in powder and foundation and all that so it can blend in with my skin. But for now, we're going to go with whatever that we've done currently. This is my basic install. Now we're going to go in with the hot comb, my babe. So now I just want to brush it to the side. I am brushing it to the side, then I'm going to go over with the hot comb. Since Vela, the lace won't vanish. We are going to work with whatever install that we did today. And this is how it's looking. Not so bad for a first timer, but it's bad. It's bad. But Jonah is the install yam. I'm gonna use one bar. Actually, let me just use two. Just to increase the heat. Can you hurry up? I'm working on storage. It keeps on warning me. Let me just cut and I'm gonna come back. Hot. Let's just go over everything. Yeah, fisa ne? Mara. Rabegezel. This thing is so hot, ne? It's like I already bought it. It's like it's not like kirekile. No. Yeah, fisa, and it's working, like it's working wonders. Since I don't have a straightener, I might as well just use it to my advantage and just, you know, use it for everything. Just make the weave straight and all that. I'm telling myself, but it will get better as time goes on. Next time we're going to install the blonde unit on Talahang. So this is how it's looking. Now I want to take a video for you guys and take a video for my TikTok. Yeah. yaze yasebenza i-hot comb kungena straight na. Yo, yaze yangisebenzela i-hot comb. Okay, let's switch it off now. It's a queen.
And you will see her status says she's playing my song. Check BBM, and you will see her status says she's playing my song. Playing my song, playing my song. Her status says she's playing my song.
Thank you for watching and reaching this part. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you lots, babes.